I'm Ramesh Kalkur. I'm the Associate Director of Srishti Manipal Institute of Art, Design and Technology. I'm also an artist, visual artist. I've been here for almost 25 years. This is regarding admission. It is not about how good you are in drawing. That's another misconception. We know that maybe most of you might not have done a coaching class kind of education, so you may be interested in creativity at large. So we do look for your imagination and visualization skills, but not really the skill to draw or skill to paint. We do get a lot of queries and how do we do admission tests. Srishti has its own application form. It's called SMEAT, Srishti Manipal Entrance and Aptitude Test. It's not online, it is offline entrance test. We do it around 40 different cities. You will see that when you go to an application form. You can choose a city that is convenient for you. It is divided into 2, sometimes 3 parts. Each part looks at various things. One part invariably look at your imagination and visualization skill. Another part looks at a little bit of logical thinking and the comprehension and language and in a way critical thinking. So what we look for in our entrance test is to kind of look at whether you really connect to questions being asked or the nature of the task. And once you do the entrance test, we will put out the list of candidates who have made it. And one thing to keep in mind when you apply, application form allows you to apply to all our 11 undergrad courses. You can apply literally all 11 courses, but please do make sure that you do apply in order of your preference. So I would suggest that apply to more than 2 or 3 courses. Please go through our website to look at the difference between each of the 11 courses that we offer. Our admissions are open now. Please do keep in mind that you can apply to more than 1 course. You will have a great time doing our entrance test.